Yeah. Hi, this is Ron from DJ.com. So, another video again. Marami na akong produkto na nakuha ko sa either nakuha or nabili sa Logitech. And this one, actually, I got this one from late 2019 ko pa ito na-acquire. Pero this is still relevant at this times. Ngayong year 2021, since mas marami tayong mas in demand ngayon ng mga computer-centric parts. So, since kapartner siya yung ito yung pa-partner ko for now sa gaming mechanical keyboard ko na wired. So, mag-wired muna ako. Gusto kong this is my probably one of my first na matinong pag gaming centric na keyboard. Wala pa akong budget pang wireless na keyboard or wireless na mouse, sorry. So this one is Logitech G102 na isa to sa pinakamura siguro na gaming mouse na wired ng Logitech. Actually nakita ko to as low as 899 pesos sa Shopee. So ang pinagmamalaki niya rito is meron siyang 8,000 dpi, tapos meron siyang light sync. So sabihin, and pwede mong i-reprogram yung keys dito sa kaliwang portion. Tapos ito yung ano niya, yung key stats niya or key features niya. 8,000 dpi and 16.8 million na lighting effects or million colors. Tapos may 6 programmable buttons, then 10M which precision engineered design for industry leading craftsmanship, tested for over 10 million clicks on the left and right mouse button. So tarang ilang billion ng normal talaga naaabot ka sa video sa pag-click na ito. So pack na natin to since 2019 ko pa ito nakakuha, pero finally makakahanap na ako ng kapartner dito for now. Syempre may mamatin ng mga wireless pa na Logitech giwas, pero not for now since sayang din to eh. Gusto ko nang tsaka sakto meron akong gaming mechanical keyboard na may kita nyo sa card section or sa description. So this is it. Ito yung yan, nakabalot pa talaga ng Logitech. Tingnan natin yung manuals. Ito yung manual. Tapos linis eh. Tapos the Logitech G. Sabi ka ng produkto ng Logitech dito. Meron akong M221, meron akong wireless keyboard mouse combo. Yan, keep playing Logitech G. And ako alam ko nare-reprogram to eh. Then may sticker pa ng Logitech G bonus. And this one, hindi ko na-expect na mahaba siya, which is sakto siya kasi malaki kamay ko eh. Malaki yung kamay ko, saktong-sakto na siya. The Logitech G102 Project G gaming mouse. So and yung scroll wheel left and right, tapos ito yung programmable keys mo. Ito yung kasama rin to for comparo natin. Ito yung isa ko na Logitech na wireless mouse, which is this is the Logitech M221 wireless mouse. Ito yung paborito kong gamit pag nagla-laptop ako, since mas sanay na ako mag-mouse sa laptop eh. So kumpara mo na yung enormous yung size. Actually komportable na ako sa M221 eh. So it's really bagay sa akin kasi malaki yung kamay ko eh. Malaki yung kamay ko eh. Then pagtapalin natin, lalo na, di ba? Laki talaga eh. And ang gusto, buti ang nakuha ko is black option. So sakto siya, ipapaalis siya doon sa black na dominating black ko na game mechanical keyboard. So finally ma-review ko na rin to soon. Probably written na rin yan. So that's it. Please like and follow our social media accounts at the description below, and also please like and subscribe Ronald DJ on YouTube. uh, and ganda na ito for a budget na as low as 900 pesos. Sa dami ng Logitech products ko, for sure tatagal to for this one. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.